Hey everybody, this is a quick video in terms of how to install a Uline ice maker in case you don't have the instructions anymore. There's just some basic information that you want to go over as you're installing it. First is the leveling information. You want to make sure that you use a level to confirm that your unit is level. In order to get it level, you'll notice at the bottom that your unit has these legs that you can turn to adjust. One tip is that if the floor is higher than the floor in the cutout opening, adjust the rear legs to achieve a total unit rear height of 3 millimeters less than the opening's rear height. And then finally, you're going to plug it in from the power cord, gently push it into position, and be careful not to entangle the cord or water or drain lines if applicable. You're going to recheck the leveling once you push it back from front to back and side to side, making any necessary adjustments. And the unit's top surface should be approximately 1/8 of an inch below the countertop. Then you can install the anti-tip bracket, and then after that you can remove the interior packing material and wipe out the inside of the unit with a clean water-damped cloth. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.